Hey there! Today I'm going to take you through what a drain cleaning service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule one with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Clogged drains can be a real hassle, disrupting your daily routine. But we're here to provide a fast and effective solution. First, our experienced technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. Common problems include slow drains, clogs, or even foul odors. We arrive equipped with specialized tools to inspect your drains and identify the source of the problem. For a slow draining sink, we'll use drain cameras to investigate and determine the cause. Safety is our top priority. Before we begin any drain cleaning work, we'll make sure the water supply is safely turned off. Depending on the severity of the clog, we'll choose the appropriate method. This could include using drain snakes or hydrojetting. For stubborn clogs, we'll carefully insert a drain snake into the drain, breaking up and removing the blockage. After the drain is cleared, we'll turn the water supply back on and test the drain to ensure it's flowing freely. We'll also inspect the drain for any signs of leaks or damage and make necessary adjustments. To prevent future clogs, avoid putting grease, large food scraps, or foreign objects down the drain. Regular drain maintenance can keep your plumbing running smoothly. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your drain cleaning needs. Your convenience and peace of mind are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service.